everyone! Welcome back to Smart ESL Path, your place to learn English the smart and easy way. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Today, let's relax and practice pronunciation together with a calm story by the sea. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Focus sounds: s, es, sh, ch, j, x. A peaceful Sunday by the sea. On bright Sundays, Elena always chooses to relax near the beaches. She watches the blue waves and listens to the soft splashes. She pushes her round glasses up her nose and stretches her arms. Cool breezes brush her face and move the green bushes nearby. Along the paths, wooden benches sit beside small boxes and brown packages. Elena touches the rough edges and guesses what surprises they might hold. Nearby, children laugh, run, and chase one another. Their quick steps make light scratches in the sand. Suddenly, a clever fox rushes out from behind the rocks and tall branches. It snatches a snack, then dashes across the narrow paths. Elena smiles, closes her eyes, and relaxes again. She listens to the waves, the distant crashes, and gentle echoes. After a while, she opens her bag and chooses some snacks. There are sandwiches, sweet cakes, and cold juices. Soon, her friends arrive in small groups. They exchange warm smiles, friendly hugs, and funny jokes. They chat about school, work, and weekend plans. Their happy voices mix with the wind, the fish, and the quiet shells. As the sun slowly sets, the sky begins to change colors. Orange shades, pink edges, and soft purple shadows appear. Elena watches the final minutes of daylight. The day finishes, but the peaceful memories stay with her. Great job today! Try practicing this story at home. Read it out loud and repeat it a few times so you can improve tricky sounds in English and speak more clearly.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English practice.